Us Know by Hannah B., Staci, Mikayla, and Courtney.
Do you know how much water on Earth is usable by humans?
Only 1/3 of Earth's water is usable by humans.
Wow, that's it? So what are the most common places to find this water?
The most common places are icebergs and glaciers, groundwater, and of course lakes and rivers.
Cool. Guess what? I know about the water cycle.
That's nice.
I know, right? The water precipitates, and some of the water soaks in the ground, but the other water evaporates, and then condensation happens.
Well, I learned that in 3rd grade, but thanks for letting me know.
So, how does groundwater work?
Most soil is permeable, which means water can pass through it. There are 2 sections of soil, the zone of aeration, an area where pore spaces are not totally filled with water, and the zone of saturation, an area where pore spaces are 100% filled with water. These zones can move depending on the water table. The water table can move when there are droughts and floods.
So, how does that water get polluted?
Water can get polluted from leaking septic tanks, the landfills, the runoff from gas station, and large farms.
Ew, that's gross. What about the surface water?
Surface water can get polluted by runoff from fertilizers, gas, oil, salt, and factories.
Wow, you know a lot about that. I know about water molecules. There's 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen, and that makes a water molecule. And plus, it looks like Mickey Mouse.
Oh wow! Do you know bottled water is really safer and better tasting than tap water?
Well, they're pretty much the same. It's just one is in the bottle. The other one just comes from the tap. Courtney's Table of Staciness.
Narrators Staci Smith
And Hannah Blonigan.
Visual movers
Courtney Holt
and Michaela Ebling.
The end.